Good day mga runners. So today's run is easiest run na naman. 40 minutes in our day 57 again. So come and join me. Let's run this afternoon. Let's have some papawis and some pampalakas and pangtanggal ng stress. Let's go. Run for your life. Did you know that running easy run is the best way to build your endurance in running or cycling? 1K 8 minutes ata. Hindi ko na napansin. 1:21 na tayo. Let's go. 2K 8:19, 3K 7:49, 4K 7:52, 5K 7:40. So that's our day 57 out of 365. So natapos natin yung 40 minutes na easy run with medyo pagod, pero sulit naman sa pawis. So yun lang. So I just all saying na be healthy, be wealthy, stay active, be stress free, and always run for your life. Be a better version of yourself. Be a better version of yourself, guys. Let's go.